Hi, I'm Josh.
I'm Kelly. I'm Nora. I'm Owen. And this is Micah.
And we are the Wilderlands!
We live in one of the most beautiful areas of the country, so we're on a mission to see it for ourselves and show you how awesome it is. We love chasing waterfalls, and today that's what we're gonna do. Western North Carolina has the ultimate see it from the car waterfall route. These 11 amazing waterfalls can be viewed mostly from the road or very short hikes. However, to get a better view, some of them require much more intense hikes. This 175-mile journey can be done in 4.5 hours, but because we want to enjoy each spot, we are doing the first leg of the journey today and the rest soon. So look for a link in the description. We are excited for the adventure that awaits. Please consider subscribing, take half a second to click the like button, and leave a comment below. Stay till the end to see our favorite waterfall. Buckle up and join us on this amazing ride. We know you will have fun.
Stop 1 is Cullasaja Falls, located just outside of Franklin, North Carolina. It's over 200 feet tall. I love coming here. I've been coming here since I was a little kid. We used to climb down to the bottom and just hike down for about 2 or 3 miles. There was so many wonderful memories and we had such a fun time. So we're gonna come down to the bottom and check it out real quick. The hike down to the bottom is pretty treacherous, lots of loose rocks. Main thing is stay on all fours, be careful, don't try to race down here. But the bottom here is just absolutely beautiful and I love the views. We're about to get some swimming in and it's gonna be awesome. All right, on our way back up, I want to give you a little shot of this to show you. This is a pretty steep and intense trail. Feels great carrying a 25-pound baby while doing it too. Just take it low and slow, you'll be good.
One of the things that I love about this portion of the drive is not only are there amazing views of the river and Cullasaja Gorge, but there are tons of public places like this where you can easily pull off the road, hang out, swim, or fish, and have a great day.
Stop number 2 for us is Bust Your Butt Falls, as the locals call it. And I'm never one to turn down a challenge, and so I'm gonna go over here and jump off this rock. So stop number 3 is Dry Falls. It's just a little bit up the road from Cullasaja and Bust Your Butt Falls. This is one, as you can see to my right, there is a fee, so make sure you have $3 cash with you. It's a really awesome waterfall. You actually can walk behind it, so we're really excited to get out here. So let's check it out. Guys, going behind the waterfalls. All right, stop number 4 for us today is a little bit smaller than the rest, but we got Bridal Falls right behind us. One thing that's pretty cool, I guess normally you can drive behind it, but they got the road blocked off for whatever reason. But all of this, Cullasaja, Bust Your Butt, Dry Falls, Bridal Falls, all within 10 miles of each other on the same road. It's an absolutely beautiful drive. So glad we did this today. All right, everybody. So what was your favorite part of stage 1 of the waterfall loop?
I like to go into Bust Your Butt Falls as well and eat lunch together.
I think I'm gonna go with how big Cullasaja Falls was. I haven't been there in a while and it still took my breath away. So we just had an awesome time. Can't wait to do the next leg of this trip. So remember, be present, be together, and find adventure in your own backyard.